So Nicholas Fagis reporting happy Thursday, Facebook friends and fans from around the world, in a corporate appreciation to City of Memphis. Prince William must meet CNN icon Nicholas Fagis. Of course, a corporate appreciation to all my Facebook friends and fans in Europe. With the slogan I've come up with when President Obama came here to Chattanooga, in the great state of Tennessee, I've come up with the title, Let's Bring More Love Back to Tennessee Politics. And I'm on a campaign now to bring more love back to Memphis politics in conjunction with Tennessee politics. You know, Prince William, Prince Harry, and of course Princess Beatrix, this is your elected American boyfriend. I am quite the international politician here in Memphis, Tennessee. So a part of this special, the documentary that I'm presenting to the global community, I'm on a campaign to bring more love back to Memphis politics by inspiring Prince William to meet with the people and the citizens of the great city of Memphis at City Hall, and of course for him to personally greet me as a CNN icon of Memphis. Here is the unopened letter of the President of the United States, which has not been opened for 2 months. Can you believe that, Nicholas Fagis fans? Nicholas Fagis reporting, CNN icon of Memphis, and corporate appreciation to everyone here in Memphis, Tennessee, a corporate appreciation to the Memphis Police Department, the Shelby County Sheriff's Department, everyone, the U.S. Secret Service, everyone involved with securing Prince William, Prince Harry, and of course Princess Beatrix. This is your elected American boyfriend. Nicholas Fagis reporting, may God save the Queen. And President Barack Obama, I am your pit high, will be included in this report. I believe in conservatism, but I also believe in bipartisanship here in the great state of Tennessee. Without further ado, let's bring more love back to Tennessee politics. It's presented to Prince William. You must meet CNN icon Nicholas Fagis. Thank you. So Nicholas Fagis reporting, also known as the governor of the United States Congress 2014, regarding a write-in Republican candidate in Tennessee's 8th Congressional District. I would like to give a big corporate appreciation to the Memphis and Polo and Hunt Club for hosting a private event here in Memphis, Tennessee. A lot of members of the press, you know, the international media, I got a lot of connections from around the world. In fact, it's even published on several news articles. They're confused about how to document Prince William, Prince Harry, and of course Princess Beatrix. This is your elected American boyfriend, Nicholas Fagis. A lot of people from around the world are confused, and you know, a lot of people want to be respectful because it is a private event of Lizzie Wilson. But I'm kind of understanding the international press as well because you know Prince William, Prince Harry, and of course Princess Beatrix. This is your elected American boyfriend. We all are global figures, and it's important that you know when you invite global figures of this statue, that you know they have a platform that they can meet with the people here in Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis is a Bible Belt city. Memphis people, 90% of Memphians are Christian individuals. So I think it'll be important that you know members of the British monarchy meet with the American people here, especially my district in Tennessee's 8th Congressional District. A lot of people see my vision. A lot of people want Prince William to personally meet me. So at any rate, I'd like to give a big corporate appreciation to my friends in Europe. Nicholas Fagis reporting. May God save the Queen. And of course, Princess Beatrix, this is your elected American boyfriend. I'm inspiring. Now, this is the Nicholas Fagis plan. I'm inspiring that they meet with the American people on some platform, maybe a church or something. Maybe go meet them at City Hall. I think it would be important, as always, for Prince William, Prince Harry, and of course Princess Beatrix to meet with the American people. Since we are in political turmoil, religious turmoil, it's always important to meet with the people that follow you. So Nicholas Fagis reporting, CNN icon of Memphis. Of course, I'm already in the loop to some degree, but it's always important for the British princes to meet with the people of the great city of Memphis since they're coming here to Memphis, Tennessee. So Nicholas Fagis reporting, may God save the Queen and God bless Pope Benedict XVI. And a corporate appreciation once again to the Memphis Polo and Hunt Club. And we all as members of the press are going to be very respectful that this is a private event. Nicholas Fagis reporting. But I want people to come to the Nicholas Fagis event. The Nicholas Fagis event is open. We want to get the people more involved and to hold more interest regarding the British monarchy. Nicholas Fagis reporting. May God save the Queen and God bless Pope Benedict XVI. So Nicholas Fagis
reporting. CNN Our Report on Memphis, famous for being piggies. Here with Mayor A.C. Wharton. What do you have to say to Memphis, and what do you think about President Barack Obama coming here to Chattanooga?
Well, it's great to be here to welcome him, to let him know of the good things that are happening under his administration. The recovery is here. Jobs are being produced every day. Good paying jobs. Everything that lines up with what the president is talking about in terms of rebuilding and fortifying the middle class. This is Exhibit A. I just want to congratulate him, all the good folks here in Chattanooga, Mayor Burton, all of his colleagues, but most of all to say thanks to President Obama and to thank him for the great work he's doing.
Absolutely, and I'm on a campaign to bring more love back to Tennessee politics. You're a good guy, Mayor A.C. Wharton.
Let's get it done.
Nicholas reporting. How did you feel with traveling President Obama today?
It was fantastic to get to spend a few minutes with the president. That's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it was terrific.
Awesome job. I'm trying to bring more love back to Tennessee politics, so that's what we need, more love. CNN Our Report. Corporate thanks. Thank you. Nicholas McGee's reporting. CNN Our Report on Memphis. Here with Zach Wamp. You know, run against Congressman Fincher this year. So we would like to just welcome President Barack Obama here to Chattanooga.
First Democratic president to come to Chattanooga in almost 50 years. So it's a compliment to Chattanooga, and we're grateful for his visit. I thought he struck a pretty good tone for a red state, and frankly, it was well received.
I think it's good. We're trying to bring more love back to Tennessee politics.
That's right. Thank you.
CNN Our Nicholas McGee's reporting. Good night, Facebook friends and fans from around the world, and of course, city of Memphis. Prince William, you must meet CNN icon Nicholas Pegues has been launched on Facebook. Nicholas Pegues reporting. This is regarding European nobility, political elite, and royal cousins of CNN icon Nicholas Pegues, encouraging Prince William to meet him during his royal visit to Memphis. Nicholas Pegues reporting, featured with Vicki Phillips, Director of Education of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Nicholas Pegues reporting, a corporate appreciation to my Facebook friends and fans in Europe. CNN icon of Memphis. City of Memphis. Prince William, you must meet CNN icon Nicholas Pegues. A corporate appreciation. So Nicholas Pegues reporting, CNN Our Report on Memphis. Inspire my generations of public service here at the Amazon Fulfillment Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And look at the crowd out here. So many people out here ready to hear President Barack Obama. Yes, that's President Barack Obama to speak to the audience here in the great state of Tennessee. So President Obama, I told you I was your pit hive. CNN Our Nicholas Pegues reporting. On arrival of former President George W. Bush here in East Memphis. Here's the morning. CNN Our Report on Memphis. Nicholas Pegues reporting. CNN Our Report.